What's going on, YouTube? About to show y'all these mods I'm about to do. I'm a '07 Avalanche LTZ. Right now I'm about to paint these brake calipers. As y'all can see, I'm missing my center caps. I'm really missing two. I took all of the two off. I done ran through probably about a whole set of those. These are Chevy replica wheels, 20-inch replicas. And the center caps don't actually stay on as tight as they should be. I usually have to wedge something in there, a piece of aluminum foil actually, just to make it blend in, wedge them in there to make them stick real good. But yeah, I already got a few mods on there right now. But right now I'm about to get my brake calipers painted up. Have it looking real nice. Got a few more things I'm about to do to it. But yep, this is my first YouTube video. I don't even know if I'm gonna post it or not, but yeah, I'm taking this video. Let's see how this go. Hook the Avalanche up. It's only the beginning of a few modifications I'm about to do. The way I like to do my modifications is to make them look factory. So sometimes you can't even tell, you just know it looks super right, super clean. It's not nothing too outstanding, extravagant. Sometimes people think I got some type of special edition. I had a '02 Chevy Trailblazer that I started off doing these similar mods to it, but it got totaled. So I decided to get the black Avalanche, the V8, and finish off the deal. All right, I'll show y'all once I get done.